Yo, this is Matt. We're working on his bus build, and I didn't do much to this. I welded some holes in the floor for him, a little support. Welded up a spare tire rack, and some brakes, shocks, stuff like that. Matt, tell him what you've done.
All right.
For your tiny home.
I'll give you a good sense of the layout here. The first thing is you come into the bus, we got a closet right here. That's for closed snowboards, and then when you come in, we got a light that has dimming lights.
LED?
LED, yep. So it doesn't pull a lot from the batteries. First thing you walk into is the bathroom here. It has a composting toilet with a fan. Right there, some storage. Little box for storage. As you walk in, you have the sink here. Sink is gravity fed. This took a little bit of engineering. Where the water stored is in this spot here.
Oh, that's cool.
Yep. Some piping, some quick connects here. This was $20 on.
So you just take the whole thing out and fill it up with water and put it back in? Quick connect makes it easy.
Yeah, that's what's nice about that. It was one-handed, we're done, and it's pretty easy to load. I mean, this is 45 pounds, so this is, you want to make sure, you know, it's a pretty easy process to do all that. So that's nice, you know. So that's water. Still working on the stove a little bit. This is the gas line I ran connected to the propane tanks. I tested the stove. It works.
The propane tanks are in the back.
Yep.
Off a trailer hitch?
Yeah, off a trailer hitch. I had a trailer hitch installed on this. That was $300 at a trailer hitch place. Getting that one on
I
here.
could have put that on there.
I know you could have. You could have. I know.
I've actually put a lot of trailer
I
hitches
hate bugging
on.
you. I'm like, I feel bad. Like, I know. I'm sure you have.
I see your one piece of artwork.
That's from Leah, who did my tattoos.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, she gave me that.
Yeah, she's a good artist.
Yep. She started my sleeve tattoo.
We got the guest bedroom.
Yep. And then if you look behind it, we have all the electrical back here. So we got 3 outlets. This powers these 3 outlets over there. That one outlet will run power to those 3 outlets right there. So if I plug that in, then we have.
Are you planning on painting the walls or anything?
Oh, I don't know yet. I haven't really decided what I'm gonna do.
Voltage regulator?
So this is the solar charge controller right here.
All right.
I'm at 12.7, which is good. Got the fuses. The fuses of the 2 fans and the lights are fused like they should be. And the batteries are underneath this seat here. So that's pretty much...
How many batteries you got in there?
2 100 amp hour AGM batteries.
And
so
your solar panels up top are...
3 solar panels, 3 100 watt solar panels.
All right.
So, and a deck. That deck was a beast. To get done right, you had to drill into the ribs. So but that doubled the square footage of this place. So now I have a porch or a deck I can go up to anytime I want to be outside, and, you know.
Probably strap a lot of stuff to the roof, too.
Exactly. So additional storage.
Snowboards can go up there, too.
Yep, absolutely.
You got some storage under here?
Yeah, there's a ton. I mean, so that's where all my...
There's some shelves for canned goods or something.
Yeah. I don't really have anything to go in it yet, so I don't really need much. I have a bed that's going to go there, and about 6 shirts and 3 pairs of pants.
And you're thinking about converting to a Murphy bed?
No, not on this build. No, I'd do a completely new build to do a Murphy bed. This is how this one's going to stay for near term. It's where I'm going to live for the next, at least next year, probably, on and off.
Oh, we got our fan. Did you have to cut that in the roof, or the bus already had that?
No, I cut that. Yep, cut that in the roof.
And you just turn that to turn the flap up and down?
Yep, so it's all
that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet.
All with about the cheapest lumber you can buy.
Does it look like that?
A little bit. But I mean, did you build this or did you buy it?
My dad built that.
Yeah, it looks like it's got a little bit of love compared to the rest of the wood. It was sanded. He actually sanded it, where Matt didn't sand any of his stuff.
No, that's right.
Then you'll have a stove soon.
Yep.
Really, you could almost go without a stove. But
why? Then where am I going to eat?
I don't know.
That's the luxury part of it.
Like when we're camping, we got those little little burners with the small Coleman.
Yeah, that's what this
tank.
is. Just a nicer version.
Nicer version.
Yeah.
Well, you can actually
Yeah, you got some shelving underneath there too.
Yeah.
Got some toiletries in there.
Mm-hmm. Just a bucket for the sink, so.
Something to catch.
So that's what catches the water, just a bucket.
See, on Shai's build, I actually drilled a hole all the way through to a pipe system to a reservoir.
Mm-hmm.
So,
yeah.
And then when you go to like RV parks and stuff, they got places for your emptying your RV reservoir. That's just insulation on there. You're gonna cover that up with some wood or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not done yet. A little carpet maybe, tile,
something. I haven't decided.
Yeah, you can get a piece of carpet real cheap, small area. That'll about do it, huh? Oh, built a ladder on the back too.
Yep.
Blackout windows. And her build has the windows that you can see out of but not in, so it's pretty cool for privacy.
Heck yeah.
There we go.
Oh, we got the duct
Tiny
right
homes.
here.
Oh yeah. There's a little duct right here.
I ran it from the back.
What's heating that?
Just there's a bus heater back there. Just
the stock bus heater runs
bus heater, yeah.
all the way through there.
Yep.
So you just start the car for heat, or you turn on your propane burner.
Yep. When I install it, that's where this is where the gas line is. So that's where I'll put a T in to.
That'll be like one of them garage heaters,
I'll
but a
install
small
this,
one.
and then I'll run propane heater, and this will go to the stove. That's kind of what I'm
So I'm
thinking.
thinking like a wall. You could put a wall-mounted heater right there.
I could.
As long as it's far enough away from flammable stuff, right?
Yeah.
I don't know about the regulations on that.
Heck yeah.
But those need a small exhaust pipe, right?
What's that?
Those wall heaters. Don't they need
Depends.
Because when
There's
you're
some
burning
indoor.
propane, you can't burn it in a enclosed area.
Some you can.
I'm not sure. I'm not an expert on that.
I've done a lot of research,
Yeah.
and there's some you can, some you can't.
What do you got? Another fan up there? Vent?
That's the one that came on the bus. So yeah, I think that's just kind of. There's not like power.
There's just a dinky one.
Yeah, and there's no power to it.
All right, that'll wrap up this bus build. Pretty cool.
Sweet.
I'm curious how that toilet works.
I can show you. So,
No, I'm good.
No. I just wanted. I just mean.
You
like,
said it's composting.
So yeah, this is how. This took a little bit. So in order to have a composting toilet, you got to separate the pee. So if you pee in here, I've never used it. That's why it's so dirty. With sawdust, you pee in here, and then the pee goes down there, and then solids stay in this, and you put a bunch of sawdust in there, and every time you take a shit or poop, you throw sawdust on top of it. 1-to-1 ratio. So
1-to-1 ratio. So I never heard
so
of that before.
a lot of
research.
composting material. Yeah, so it's like that's what makes it not smell. And also the fact that I'm having negative pressure system. So when you're going to the bathroom, all the air is only gets sucked down in here and out this fan here to the outside. So you don't ever smell it. So a lot of people think it's gross.
No.
It's kind of cleaner, like to some degree. You have to. It might look gross.
What do you do with the compost
But
afterwards?
it smells. Well, you just put a bag in here, and then once a month you change it or something. You can compost it, so you can throw it into piles. You can. I don't. There's.
But if you're traveling around.
Yeah, no, I'm not sure about the laws and throwing it away, but.
We're gonna have to do more research.
Yeah, it's a little complicated on what to do with it. But the thing is you'd have to empty it about once a month. They sell composting toilets for like $1,000, and it's this same setup.
It's really simple.
Well, you have to take care of your waste still. You have to, like.
You just simplified
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Well, honestly, the only thing that's more complicated is they have an agitator. So all I'm gonna do is get a stick, and then that's my agitator. Stirring it up because you need to stir it up once.
Where are you
in a while.
gonna put the stick?
Yeah, but you would use it once and throw it away, throw it out. You wouldn't get a stick's not staying around. I don't plan on honestly using it really.
All right.
Yeah.
Just for that off chance.
So this is a pretty cool video. A little different from what I usually post. So.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
No, I don't mind at all. I like sharing.
You starting your YouTube video, Matt?
Yeah, I think it's
What's your channel?
Mulholland Water, same as my Venmo.
Mulholland Water?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll put a link to his channel down in the description of the video. If you guys want to check out what he's doing. What are you doing? A bunch of whitewater rafting, snowboarding, stuff like that.
Snowboarding in Lake Tahoe.
Skiing.
Saving lives. I have the ski patroller.
Ski patroller, safety dude on a raft, all that kind of adventurous stuff.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Catch you later.